大家好 Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 Minutes YouTube channel. In today's video, we will explore the 5 ways in which 在 can be used and also on the common mistakes Chinese learners tend to make when using 在. Understanding how to use 在 correctly is crucial for constructing sentences, expressing positions, and describing activities. As usual, watch the animation and pay attention to the usage of 在 in the conversation. Let's get started.
玛丽，在这儿。
苏珊，好久不见啊！你很早就到了吗？
我刚到不久。我们找个地方坐下聊吧。
我们上一次见面是什么时候啊？感觉好像很久没见了。
上一次见面是在2年前。
是吗？时间过得真快。
先叫喝的吧。你要咖啡还是茶？
果汁吧。我早上已经喝了咖啡。
话说回来，你最近都在忙些什么？
也没什么，就是在摸索怎么购买日本的空置房。
有意思。听说日本的空置房有好几万个。
是啊，我在报纸上看到这些房子的价格都非常的便宜。
便宜是便宜，但是大多数都是老房子，你得装修后才能住，花费可不小哦。
你说的一点也没错，我也是苦恼这一点，还是再想想吧。
The Chinese word 在 is a fundamental word used to indicate location or existence in a particular place. It plays a crucial role in Chinese sentences related to location, actions, and ongoing activities. Now let us learn the 5 different ways of using 在. Number 1, using 在 as a verb to express existence or location of a person or thing. The sentence structure 在 plus location is to express where someone or something is. Subject plus 在 plus object. Using 在 to express location. 他在厨房 He is in the kitchen. 手机在桌上 The cell phone is on the table. The object 厨房 or 桌上 generally refers to a location or a place. Using 在 to express existence. The 在 in these sentences state the existence of a person rather than a location.
老王，你在吗？老王，你在不在？老王的父母都在。
老王的父母都在 This sentence has 2 meanings. It can mean both his parents are still around, meaning they have not left the place yet, or it can also mean both his parents are still alive. 健在 Number 2, expressing ongoing actions using 在. 在 can also be used to show that an action is happening at a specific location. Sentence structure is 在 plus location plus action structure. 他在煮饭 He is cooking. 他在上 班 she is working. The 在 expresses the ongoing action, just like expressing ing in English. Number 3. Using 在 as a preposition. The first way of using 在 as a preposition is to show what the person is doing in a location. The sentence structure is subject plus 在 plus location plus action. 他在美国留学. In this sentence, the 在 shows the relationship between location, which is America, and action, which is studying abroad. The second way of using 在 as a preposition is to express the time an action has happened or is happening. Subject plus 在 plus time. 大卫和莉莉的婚礼在这个周末举行. In this sentence, the 在 tells us when the wedding will happen, which is this weekend. The third way of using 在 as a preposition to express an abstract concept or a idiomatic phrase using 在 plus a locative word. Sentence structure is 在 plus abstract phrase plus locative word followed by the subject. 在我的印象里，他是个很勤劳的人。When using 在 something 里, it is equivalent to in English, so it means in my impression. If you change 里 to 中, 在 something 中, it changes the meaning to under, meaning under the impression. 在老师的细心教导下，彼得终于取得好成绩。Number 4. Placing 在 after verbs that implies movement or action. The verbs here are special verbs such as 走 walk, 坐 sit, 站 stand, 扔 to throw, etc. The sentence structure is subject plus special verb plus 在 plus location. 小明走在妈妈前面. So where is 小明? 小明 is in front of his mother. 小丽站在学校门口等爸爸来接她放学. So where is 小丽 standing? 小丽 is standing in front of the school's gate. 学校门口. Number 5. Using this 在 something 看来 structure to express one's opinion. 在我看来，手机不是小明弄坏的。在我看来，这裤子不是他缝的。Common mistakes when using 在. The first common mistake is using 在 to indicate both location and action. For example, 我学习汉语在汉语学校. This is a direct translation from English. I study Chinese means 我学习汉语 in a Chinese language school. 在汉语学校. The correct 在 sentence structure is subject plus 在 plus location plus action, meaning explaining what one is doing. So it should be 我在汉语学校学习汉语。Let's take a look at the second example. The day before yesterday, I bought a beautiful dress at the department store. Most students would translate it as 前天 the day before yesterday, 我买一件漂亮的裙子 I bought a beautiful dress 在商场 at the department store. So the sentence they have translated is 前天我买一件漂亮的裙子在商场 Just like the previous sentence, 在商场 must be placed after the subject 我 and 买一件漂亮的裙子 at the end of the sentence. Moreover, as the time phrase is 前天, it means the action has been completed. So you need to add 了 after 买. So the correct sentence should be 前天我在商场买了一件漂亮的裙子。The second most common mistakes students make when using 在 to express the existence or presence of something. For example, this English sentence, there are many cooking utensils in the kitchen. Students tend to translate it as 在厨房有很多餐具 because 在 means in. For this sentence, one must not use 在 in a 有 sentence. 存现句 The correct sentence is 厨房里有很多餐具 What you're trying to say is there are many cooking utensils in the kitchen and not the cooking utensils are in the kitchen. If you are trying to say the cooking utensils are in the kitchen, then you can say 厨房餐具在厨房里。今天的视频到此结束，希望大家喜欢，谢谢大家的支持，再见。